right up against the base of this big tree. And I have a coin in the hole right there. Pretty sure it's a coin. Might be a button. Ah, yeah. It's an Indian. Alright, 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 alright. Nice. Ooh. It looks a little beat up on the obverse. Reverse looks pretty good though. Ah, nice. Here's something interesting. Right here. I don't know exactly what it is, but it's a piece of fanciness. Looks like it had screw holes here and here. That's an interesting find. Alright, keep looking. Remains of a really flattened hem weight. I don't know what's going on with that. It was hammered really thin. But definitely a hem weight. Take one of these out of the ground. That's usually a good sign. Complete horseshoe. Pretty cool. Just dug another hem weight right here. This one isn't squished like the last one. But that's the second one I got in these woods. These are lead. This one's small. This is like penny size. Someone dropped their car key. That was about 3 inches down. Elco. Some sort of an international lock company, probably. Well, this was ringing up a 7980, and it's right here. Kind of roundish. Let's take a look. Oh, I think it's a buckle. Yeah, it's a buckle. It's a little horse tack buckle. Got a big rusted tine. That's gonna take some cleaning. That's a nice little buckle. Alright, old stuff there. Let's take a look and see what it is. It was deep. Come on, be an Indian. Oh no, let me rub it on my trousers. What we got? That looks like the 1 cent side. That looks like an Indian side, and it's an 1885 Indian head cent. Man, that's a great find. Awesome. This is a cool one. Never dug something like this before. That's a toy airplane. Ah, that is so neat. It's got folding, has folding wings. I think it probably is a Hubley. Oh, this is so cool. Let me hit it with a brush and then I'll turn the camera back on. But that is a really neat find. It's almost complete. I think the folding landing gear, well, it's there on one side but not on the other. Okay, so here it is. It's a yellow overwing plane. It has little stars on each of the wings. The wings fold up, and then you'll notice on this wing, it does. It says Hubley Kitty Toy, Lancaster, PA, made in USA. That is nuts because I collect these little toys, these little planes. I like the Tootsie Toy planes better, but these Hubleys are amazing. That's in great shape for getting out of the ground. Well, it's been a little bit since I found something good, but here is a large tablespoon. Oh, some kind of serving spoon. I don't think this is old at all. Yeah, it's stainless steel. This could have been dropped yesterday, but it was underground. Don't know what that's doing out here in the woods. Crazy how people drop spoons. This is silverware. This was a really crummy signal. I mean, super duper sketchy. Bouncing all over the place. This is a little stainless spoon. Dominion, Japan. Buckles that I found earlier, but it's in better shape, this one. Real lightweight. Well, it's getting late. Just dug this. It's a very delicate little buckle. I don't know. I don't like to guess on buckles, but man, this looks to be about the size of a knee buckle. I'm going to have to clean that up and take a look. It's probably just off of Gunsling or something like that. But cool find. Okay, here's the good stuff. So, start with the buckles. This is the one I showed in the video. This is one I found earlier, and the other part of it was broken. The part that goes across the center. Here's the little buckle that had the tine that was all rusted. It broke off when I was cleaning it. Here's the tiny little buckle. This was the last part of the video where I had to shoot it. It was starting to get dark. It's a really fragile buckle. I think that could be an old buckle. So there's the flattened hem weight and then the regular hem weight. I found 3 wheat cents this time. They're in bad shape. It's a 1916, a 1945, and a 1958. So here are the 2 Indians. This is the 1904, so that was the first video clip this time. And then this is the 1885. I did find this little piece of jewelry. It's some kind of a pin. It's got some neat little fancy on it. You can see the pin back here. It's probably gilded at one time. I didn't get a good video of that. This is that interesting piece that, I don't know, maybe it's from a sword hilt or handle. Definitely military, I would think. So if anyone has any idea, you can see that there's a curve in it. If anyone out there, especially you military guys, have any idea what this might be, please leave it in the comments below. I'd really appreciate it. But I don't know what it is, but that's a cool find. And then finally the plane. The little yellow Hubley toy plane. And that's just another cool find. Complete, not in great shape. The wings really took a beating. But original paint still, some original yellow paint. And it didn't have a propeller, so it was a jet plane. Alright, well, that's all the finds for this week. Make sure you tune in again next week. And until then, always be looking down.